Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to set up this laptop. In order to set up your laptop, first select right country or region from the list and then select yes to confirm. On the following screen, select the right keyboard layout for your laptop and then click yes to confirm. If you want to add a second one, click add layout and proceed by adding a new one, then click next. Otherwise, just click skip. Then connect to a Wi-Fi network, so select the network from the list. If you want to connect to it automatically, hit this checkbox or make sure that it's checked. And then click connect. Enter the password to your network and press enter to confirm, and then select next. Then wait until Windows checks for updates, and once the check is complete, your computer may restart once. And once the check is complete, you can name your device if you want to, but you can also do this later in settings. So if you want to do it right now, name your device in this field, click next, wait until your device restarts, and proceed by continuing the installation, or just click skip for now and do it later in settings. And after that, your computer will start downloading and installing updates, most probably. Let's check what it says right now. Okay, so just select the type of usage of your laptop. So if you want, if it's your laptop, basically, if this laptop is your property, then select setup for personal use. If it's a property of your organization, select the second option and then click next. And after that, make sure that your device is plugged in to power source, and just let it update your PC for about half an hour until the updates are finished. The speed of the downloading and installation depends on your Wi-Fi speed. So right now you can just leave your PC like this and then return once the updates downloading is finished. And once the updates are completed, on the following page, select sign in and then proceed by signing in to a Microsoft account. So first, enter the email or your phone number that is linked to your Microsoft account into this field. Then press enter. Then you can sign in either using a code or using your password. If you want to use your password, then click use your password right here. If you want to confirm your identity using a code sent to your email address, you can use send code right here. I'm gonna use a password. Enter the password into the following field if you choose this option. Press enter. Then wait for a while, and then click create pin to create a pin for your account. Enter the pin into the first field and confirm it in the second one. Then click OK to proceed. Then choose privacy settings for your device. Here we have location, find my device, diagnostic data, and can type in personalized offers. So if you want to switch off any of these features, just switch the toggle next to it to the left. The location lets you get location-based experiences like directions, weather, news, etc. Find my device feature lets you find your device easily in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic data collects info about websites you browse and how you use apps and sends it to Microsoft for research. Inking and typing feature sends optional typing data to Microsoft for research, and personalized offers personalizes ads for you. So if you don't want any of these features, just switch the toggle to the left next to them, and then once you're content with your choice, click accept and then wait for a while. If you want to get your system from a backup, if you see a screen like this, if you want to get it from the backup, then just click continue. If you want to set this device up as a new laptop, you have to select more options and select setup as a new PC, then setup as a new PC once again, and then wait for another couple of seconds. And on the following page, you can customize your experience by selecting one of the available presets and clicking accept, but you can also do this later in settings, which I'm gonna do, so I'd recommend just getting to know each of these presets later and selecting one of them in settings if you're interested. So for now, let's skip. Then if you want to use your phone from your PC, if you have an Android phone, scan this QR code, then click next and proceed with the following steps. If you have an iPhone, then skip this step, and then you're gonna be able to do this later in settings. For Android users, you can also do this later in settings. So for now, I'm gonna select skip. Then if you want to back up your photos from your phone to this PC, then you can scan the QR code that you will see in a moment, this one, and then click next and proceed. Otherwise, you can skip this step by clicking skip once again. Once again, you can do this later in settings. Now, if you want to synchronize your browsing data, you can click accept. Otherwise, just click not now and skip this step too. And here we have some offer from Microsoft. To decline it, just click decline Microsoft. Once again, you can decline the second offer, then click next, and then wait for a moment. And another offer, if you want to skip it, just click skip for now. And then just wait until the setup is finished. And at this point, your PC is fully set up. So that's the end of the video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.